Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. It's day 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, and today we're baking one of the most festive treats of the season, Chocolate Peppermint Blossom Cookies. These are rich chocolate cookies rolled in sugar and topped with a candy cane Hershey kiss for that perfect holiday pop of minty sweetness. They're cute, cozy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get baking. Start by adding 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a mixing bowl. Use a whisk to combine the dry ingredients together, then set aside. In a separate bowl, beat together 1 cup of softened butter and 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Add 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk, then beat the mixture again. Gradually add the cocoa mixture to the butter mixture, beating until well blended and cookie dough begins to form. Refrigerate the dough for 1 to 2 hours. While the dough is in the refrigerator, remove the wrappers from all of the kisses and set aside. Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to shape the dough and roll in your hands to create a ball. Dip the cookie dough ball in a bowl filled with 1/2 cup of sugar until completely coated. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, then remove from the oven and allow them to rest for 1 minute. Gently press a peppermint kiss into the center of each warm cookie. Allow the cookies and kisses to cool completely before transferring to a serving dish. Thank you so much for baking along with me today. I hope you love these chocolate peppermint blossom cookies. They're one of my all-time favorite Christmas treats. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Don't forget, this is only day 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, so make sure you're subscribed and the notifications are turned on so you don't miss tomorrow's cookie recipe. See you next time!